Hey, how's it going? This is David from Onyx Roofing and Exteriors. We are here at 405 North Pond Trail on the 15th of July. We got claim number 1187B as in boy, 398B as in boy. We're going to be doing a repair on this wind damage shingle right there. So I bracketed it off, that 3 tabs right there. And then I do want to note that the inspector did not label any of the damage. They just wrote, the facet, and then just wrote W and H for hail, but didn't label any of the damages or numbered it. So as you can see, we can clearly see the damage here. And then you can see the shingles above have no damage. Prior to this repair, you see there's no creasing or anything. All of them are sealed for the most part. They're starting to come up a little bit, but you can see these have not been manipulated in any way. Yeah, trying to lift these, but they're not. So we're gonna have to unseal them and then start with this repair. So I'm going to set you guys down over here and you can just watch the process. Okay, get you guys a little closer as well. Just so you have a better view. We do have the proper tools today. Got the roof snake, and then a pry bar to unseal the shingles and lift any nails. And then we will be putting another 3 tab on. So let's go ahead and start. And I do want to note that I'm being very gentle as best as we can to preserve these shingles that we're not replacing. You can see I'm going very slowly. Just to look for the nails. We have to locate the nails to release the shingles. You have to go about 2 rows up just to do that. And I am noticing a lot of granule loss just from this act of removing the seal. I can see the granules are just coming off just from me moving the shingles, as you can see. But yeah, let's continue. And I'm trying not to lift the shingles too high. First nail out. Second nail. Fourth. Should be it. Okay, you see slides right out. replace it with a 3-tab. Make sure it's all the way in there. All right, now we just reverse the process with our tools here. There's the roof snake. Well, this will allow me to drive these nails in without lifting the shingles too high. So let's see if we can do it here. Good. Move further along here. See, the issue with these, they don't always drive the nail in properly. So you can see there's going to be another hole because we can't use that same hole. So that's another opening in the roof right there. We're going to try it again, right? All right, that one went down, so we finished it all the way through. And I do want you to notice where this tool is, the bottom of it has created craters where we drove the nail in. So although it does save us from sort of creasing the shingles, just the hitting of the tool itself against the roof is causing a crater. So there's a crater right here, and then there's a crater right here just from the bottom of this tool. But we're gonna keep going. It is a part of the process. Almost done here. As you can see, the tool is resting on the ground or on this shingle right here below it. And then we have to tap it in. As you can see, that one went in. We're just gonna finish up here. So we took out 2 rows of nails, so there's holes. We can't reuse those holes, so there's just openings in the roof. So we're gonna keep going. This is resting on the new shingle itself. Just to use this tool, as you can see, it's going down flat, and we finished the job. Now there's a crater here. Similar to what you would find with a hail hit. Keep going. You have to lift it to find it. All right, the hole from the previous nail is right here, so I'm gonna go to the right of it. And we're gonna just hammer it down. Hammer it down. Okay. And we'll just do one more nail. So that's 6 nails total in the new shingle. go. I do apologize about that. My phone overheated, but I left the tool right where we were. Pretty much just about finished. Like I said, there are crater impacts now from the tool itself. Let's go. And then missing granules, you can just... Sorry, it keeps freezing up on me. But you can see the granules just lifting it, losing a lot of granules. Try to finish up here. As well as the crater impacts from the tool itself. So this is a fail. If we were to repeat this process with all the repairs that you guys have warranted, it would just create more damage. I do not recommend doing repairs on this shingle itself. As you can see, crater. All right, here's the other one. There's a crater impact on the new shingle itself. Missing granules from the tool, crater, and then missing granules. You can just see it's just falling off. And that's just because of the condition of the roof itself. So this is a fail. If you guys have any questions, give me a call at 678-994-7282. Again, this is David with Onyx Roofing. We're gonna go ahead and tarp this area up and wait to hear from you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.